I have a Nintendo Switch here. I'm going to show you how to add a new user. All right, very simple. So first thing is go ahead and click on your home button here, and then we want to move over to settings, and then from settings you want to scroll down to where it says users. So go down, there's users right here, and then move over to the right, and you got change user, and you can add user here. Let's go ahead and add a user. Click on the A button once you highlight it. And then it says create new user. Let's click on the letter A button over here. Let's go ahead and pick a photo or avatar, and then go ahead and create a name here. I'll just name it 123, and then I'm going to go down to where it says OK right here. Tap on that, click on OK, and or you can do this later or whatever. I'll do it later. Anyways, now I just added the new user right there, so pretty simple.